Number one, mindset. Listen to make money, grow money, achieve anything, or do anything in life. The first thing you have to be clear is that you have a proper mindset. If you don't have a proper mindset, unfortunately, you will not going to get that thing. Number two, know your financial goals. Listen, most of you, or I can say more than 95% of the viewer who are watching this video right now, don't have any financial goal. You should know your financial goal, what exactly you are looking, why you want to grow your wealth, and if your why is clear, everything will go smoothly for you. Number three, have a budget. If you seriously want to grow your money, you need to have a budget. You have to stick to budget. Number four, track your expenses. If you can't track it, you can't manage it too. Whether you want to gain weight or lose weight, you need to track your weight first. In the same way, in order to grow your money, you need to track your expenses. Whether you are spending your money on the right things or you are just wasting your money. Number five, pay yourself first. People fail to do this. And if you seriously want to see your financial graph going up, you need to pay yourself first as soon as possible. As soon as you get your paycheck, I know there are lots of things to do when you get your payment, but it will be the same and it will be throughout your life. Before the payment you get, so you have to do is pay yourself. Because tell me, most of you think to save money at the end, and tell me how many times did you get success in that? Shall I say not a single time, right? Because there are so many things to do that you don't even remember about paying yourself at the end. Before you pay yourself, you already had wiped out your account by clearing all the expenses that you had. Number six, emergency fund. Emergency fund plays a very important role in financial goals. Never know that what will happen tomorrow. So, in order to get prepared for that financial problem, you need to have an emergency fund, which is very important. The need for emergency funds becomes very important for each and everyone. Number seven, save money. If somebody asks me how to grow money fast, I reply to them saying save money. People don't understand that saving money is also a huge achievement for them. And the second thing is that if they save money, they indirectly or directly help to grow their money. Got it? So save money. Number eight, invest in yourself. I know when you listen to the word invest, the one thing that comes to your mind is to invest in the stock market or in bonds or whatever. But people fail to realize that investing in themselves can provide them an infinite return which no other investment option in the world can give. Number nine, invest money. This is the most popular way to grow your money. In order to grow your money, you need to invest money. So you can invest your money in the stock market, bonds, or any other investment option. What you think is that it is right for you. But before you put money anywhere, I highly recommend you to do your own analysis before putting money anywhere. Number 10, save tax legally. Many people don't know they can save tax legally. Unfortunately, they pay a huge amount of tax. There are lots of investment options that provide you with tax advantage. You need to have an eye on them and take advantage because they are made for you. Number 11, change your investing option at regular intervals. It's very important because many people don't understand that depending on only one investment throughout the life is not good. To elaborate, let's say if you are at the age of 20, your risk taking capacity is much higher. So here you can invest more money in equity because you can take more risk. But at the same time, when you are getting older day by day, or let's say you are at 45, here your goal will be to protect your wealth rather than growing massively at a very high rate. Number 12, stay away from debt. Suppose you are already in debt, no matter whether you are in good debt or bad debt, or for whatever reason you had taken debt. Guys, you are already in the red zone. And if things goes like this, you can't grow your money to the next level.